Cricket box. I'm going to show you how to do a hack on live feed with it. So you're going to open it up. See, Cricket box. We have a box. Take this out. We find page Perico with angles on it. Then you want to grab this out. Pull it. Oh, all the way out. I'm going to put the Perico on it. Then we should have a little thing in here. That's this. You're going to put it there. You're going to close the Perico. But you can't because it's blocking it. So, put that like that. Right there. You want to see some? See, if you turn the camera around, it'll all disappear. Turn it.
What?
Turn the camera around.
What do you mean turn the camera
Turn the
around?
camera around. It'll all disappear. Ta-da! See? Nothing. 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 Let's take this clear tape. But nothing. Ta-da! Wait. That has nothing to do with live me. It's magic. Ta-da!